love as an occupational therapist, very practical, real, meaningful activities that people are trying to get back to. Right. And these injuries get in the way of that. So that's what I love to do, is go in and help people get back to doing what they love. It's easy for me to sell, particularly to new CrossFitters who come in and they don't have the range of motion. That is a very easy sell. I'm selling them exactly what they need to be able to CrossFit safely. So that, I would say, is my biggest market right now for active life content for programming online, are the newer CrossFitters who are not great movers, who don't have a lot of flexibility or mobility. And without me there, they would just come in and try and gain strength and hurt themselves. Right. So it's invaluable information. If you were on the fence, contact me. I will talk with you, and I'll answer questions about how I use it practically every single day of my working life, with every single new CrossFitter that comes in the door, to people who are not CrossFitters at all. And that's the other thing. If you are a CrossFit coach, you can earn extra money on the side programming for people in your gym. CrossFit coaches should be paid a living wage. And I love how that is discussed, because nobody's talking about that, right? Is like, how do you own a gym and pay your coaches what they're worth? Because coaches make or break a gym. So if you have great, informed, intelligent coaches, you will do very, very well. And they should get paid. It's not a hobby.